getting there. As you can see, this is the lounge room. Quite basic, because again, these houses are quite restricted in their width, but we do what we can. So we've got a lounge room here, or TV area. This will be dining, nice gas fireplace. Comes to our kitchen area again. Waterfall bench tops, gas stove top. Make sure all this will go back on. Got the elevator here, which we might actually take this to the top level. Come in. Well, now, come out here, rooftop balcony. Nice view of the city, some good New Year's Eve fireworks. Look at that. Got the study, which obviously opens up the balcony with light bulb doors. There'll be a future kind of kitchen area there, for barbecues in the summer. Let's come on down. Should be about the place. There, got it now. Leading up into the master bedroom, but first we'll just pass the laundry. A couple things to do in there still. Here's the master hallway. Quite a large ensuite, dual sink, spa bath. So this shower is a real feature piece. Dual ends. Look at that. Large format tiles. Nice tiling by Bros Tiling. Marked by Marley. This is a reasonably substantial walking road for a tight access property, I'd say. Up to 4 metres deep. About 1.2 wide, I believe. Can't remember. And this is the bedroom area. We still have good views of the city with some frosted glass windows below to privacy of the neighbours. TV just up today. Good use of the kitchen, but I think it's a bit tight for the downstairs, these are the original staircase locations, we just have to rebuild them. One of the original front bedrooms. Well, this was starting to be like a little secondary lounge. And this is one of the original bedrooms. So, yeah, everyone's getting there, and I'll see you guys at the final video.